Alright, quick update on the 40 breeder. It looks like the algae issue has been solved. I reset this tank over a month ago, probably close to 2 months ago, kind of lost track. And it looks like all the algae that's on the wood was already there originally, but it's not growing. It's actually subsided a little bit. It's actually gotten better, and the tank looks 100 times better now. So now I could start adding more shrimp to it, and this is all due to the substrate. I just had way too much substrate in, so I just removed a lot of the substrate, added two UGFs, and just reshuffled, reset the tank a little bit. I have probably about 20 or so shrimp in there. Added some Bucephalantria and a bunch of Indian almond leaves in the back. But yeah, now the tank looks so much better. There's there's a bunch of duckweed at the top. That was also helping extract some of the nutrients in the tank. I don't know if I'm probably going to get rid of those duckweed. Just use like a pick or something, take them out. Because I don't really like or care for floating plants too much. But I might just leave it though, because as of right now, everything in the tank is doing phenomenal. There is population growth also. The shrimp are breeding in here, but this is just a bunch of call shrimp that I have from the fancy tiger, the red fancy tiger. There's a couple of black fancy tigers, and probably one or two crystal reds in here. But yeah, dramatic improvement. So this issue is solved. The pH issues, well, I don't have a pH issue, but the pH experiment in the other tanks are going extremely well. With the Indian almond leaf homemade DIY extract is doing phenomenal. All my tanks are below 6 pH. I've ordered 2 more UGF. I actually found a US seller on eBay that I can get them from. It's a little bit more, about $5 more than Temu. Because things from Temu is kind of a pain to right now. So hopefully the guy that's selling them on eBay, and he has 3 different sizes. I got the smaller ones because I'm gonna put them in a 10-gallon. I'll see how that works out. But yeah, I'm very, very happy with this, and hopefully this eBay seller works out for the UGFs. But I'll see how that goes, and I'll make a video on that once I receive them.